Till now we have covered the basics of tabular model, and in this video we will learn about how we can implement DAX related stuff in tabular. So for this, let's go to the grid view. So for example, here we have the fact internet sale, and here you can see we have sale amount, tax amount, and freight. And we need the actual sale, so we can just write one calculated column. For example, sale amount minus tax amount minus total product cost plus freight, right? So you can write like actual sale, the name of the column, and the column is equal to this one. Let me zoom it, and then we can write sales amount minus total product cost and minus tax amount and plus freight. This one. Hit enter. So here you can see this is the actual sale, right? And now I need to create one measure. You just need to click here because this is the table area, and here we have to click to write. You can click anywhere, right? So we can click here, and again you can name, for example, total sales column is equal to and sum sales amount actual sale. So here you can see one measure is created under measure folder, total sales that we have created, and we need to deploy and go to the Power BI. So here we have to, so here you can see under fact internet sale we don't have any measure total sale. Like if I search total sale, so there is no total sale available. We need to refresh because this Power BI is already connected with the tabular model. And if you go below, so here you can see we are getting one total sale. So I had already dragged the product category. I need to click total sale. So here you can see we are getting the total sale per category. So let's go to the Visual Studio. So here you can see this. We need to go to the measure properties. We need to select total sales, and here you can see we have the format. Right now the format is just a decimal, and we don't have a currency symbol here. So here we need to change the general to currency, this one, and for the measure name you can rename from here or from the total sale, this one. Like if you select it, and here you can also change the name. There are two places, and then there is a display folder here. So we can write here like sales measures like this, and here you can increase the decimal places. So these are the properties of measure. So now we need to click the Solution Explorer, Tabular Tutorial, and deploy. Go to the Power BI home and refresh. So here you can see it will the symbol will be changed to currency. So see, the symbol has been changed to currencies, and here you can see the display folder is available in the factory internal sales table. So if you expand it, you will see one measure, total sale. If you click total sale, see, you are not able to see the formula bar here. So whenever you need to work with the tabular model, all the measures you have to define in the model. If you want to create a new measure other than total sale, that measure you can define, but if you need to change or enhance this total sale measure that you had already created in the tabular model, for this you have to go to the tabular model and again enhance that measure. Otherwise, if you want to create another measure, this is possible. You just need to click new measure and total sales 2 is equal to sales sum actual sale, this one. So this measure is created, right? And because this measure is created here, so we can change the data type to currency. We need to change the format, this one. So here you can see we are getting the same results here, right? So for this course, I will not cover the complete DAX series because I had already created a lot of videos on DAX.